Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to sweep boss base. So as example, I will create the circle object. Okay, you can go to sketch mode and then create circle. Like example, I will create in here for the circle. And the next, we create again new plane. So I will create in this red plane, and you can select the plane, click sketch mode, and after it click plane view. So for paths I will use the line. Okay, I will click from this point into here, move into this point, click and sketch editing. Now if you want to sweep this sketch with the lines as path, you can use the pull tools and click on this object. The next you can click sweep tools. So the icon will be automatically changed if you select the line. Press control button, hold again, so you can select another line. So you can click at this green icon, okay, sweep icon, hold, and then you can move to sweep the object in a path. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to sweep boss base. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.